When a security incident strikes, every second counts. CyberProof's digital forensics and incident response DFIR service helps your business respond, contain, investigate, and recover the moment a breach is discovered. Once engaged, our team of experts trace the attacker's movements, identify impacted systems, and uncover how the breach occurred. We contain the threat by isolating compromised identities, devices, and environments to stop further damage. We work with your team to roll back, rebuild, or re-image systems and data to completely eradicate the threat. After a breach, we get your business back to a healthy state while implementing enhanced monitoring to catch future threats. We work closely with MDR, threat hunters, and threat intelligence teams. Our tool-agnostic approach across EDR, SIEM, firewalls, and forensic collectors enables us to scale from one endpoint to thousands in minutes. CyberProof DFIR goes beyond breach investigation and response. We work with your team hand in hand to build a stronger, more adaptive, and proactive security posture. Better security together with CyberProof. Contact us today at cyberproof.com/DFIR.